let's talk about an absolutely incredible discovery out of Western Australia.
Researchers found the largest dinosaur footprint ever recorded. It's a massive 1.7 meters long. To give you some scale, a full-grown person could literally lie down inside one of them. This find completely shatters the old record from Mongolia, which was just over a meter long. So, who made these prints? Long-necked sauropods, some of the biggest animals to ever walk the earth. But get this, the giant footprint isn't even the whole story, not by a long shot. The lead paleontologist actually called it a prehistoric version of the Serengeti. Yeah, that diverse. Why? Because they found tracks from 21 different kinds of dinosaurs, all in this one spot. This points to a whole ecosystem, including stegosaurs, which we'd never even seen in Australia before. And these prints have been perfectly preserved in sandstone for about 130 million years. So you've got to ask, how did a place this important stay hidden from science for so long? Well, the wild part is it wasn't hidden, and it actually came very close to being destroyed forever. See, back in 2008, this whole area was slated for a massive natural gas project. And that threat is actually what ended up saving it and getting it properly documented. Because here's the key, the local Glurubulu people, they knew about these tracks all along. For them, the footprints are a sacred part of their song cycle, a kind of cultural map. So to protect this sacred site, they reached out to paleontologists to get it on the record. This kicked off a huge effort, with teams spending over 400 hours documenting thousands of tracks. You can see this incredible journey connecting deep prehistoric time with the modern world. This collaboration saved a priceless piece of history, and it really makes you wonder, doesn't it?